friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and I'm here for a real quick video, or at least it should be, and that's just to explain for those who are trying to find specific videos. It doesn't matter if it's my channel or somebody else's. I want to share with you how you can easily find the video that you're looking for, because I know some people it gets really confusing, and you know the videos are out there, you've seen of them, you've heard of them or whatever. Now, just so you know, for me, whenever I mention a video in another video, I always try to link it in the description box down below. But if I forget, all someone has to do is remind me, and I'll make sure it gets in there. Older videos, I used to always use the iCards, which now I can't even remember what side they're on. I think over here or over here. But that got to be too complicated for some people, and you can only get 5. So if you're watching some of my older videos and I'm mentioning it, you have to use the iCards to find it. And I don't remember what all videos those are, and I don't have time to go back and redo all that. So what I'm going to do is link down below to my whole playlist that I have on YouTube tips, and this is both for those who have channels, are thinking of starting channels, or just tips for users so you can know how to find what you're looking for. So, for instance, I have one, how you can simply open the description box to find the videos that you're looking for. A lot of people don't get that. So I'll share that real quick since I'm here. That is simply by clicking on either show more, that's in all caps right below the channel name. That's if you're on a computer. But if you're on a smart device, it'll be in the form of a little gray arrow on this side that's pointing downwards. You just touch that, it'll open up the description box, and then you can scroll through there and find what you're looking for in there. But if the video wasn't mentioned, or you just are coming into a channel and you're wanting to see if they have a video on something, there's 2 ways you can go about it. It just depends on which search bar you use. Now, YouTube has its own general search bar that's going to be right at the top of the YouTube page. And if you're using that, you want to type in the name of the channel that you're specifically looking for that video from, and then the topic. So let's say it's my channel you're looking for something on, and you're trying to find the video on mascara, just put Rain Country Mascara, and that should pull up at least 2 videos from my channel, because I have an old one and a little bit newer one. If you're looking for something from Mary's Nest or Homestead Tessie or Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, same thing. You put their channel name plus the topic. So it might be Off Grid with Doug and Stacy Kombucha, or Mary's Nest evaporated milk if you want to find out how to make your own evaporated milk, or any other topics that you either think or know that person has. Same thing with me. I have 2 different videos about thyroid, and some people have a hard time finding those. You don't have to put the whole title name, just one of the key words from the title. So Rain Country Thyroid, if you type that in there, it'll pull all that up. The other option, which actually is less typing, but some people have a harder time finding it, is there's a search bar that each channel has it specifically for that channel. It's just in a little bit different location. So that one is down farther. So if you see those tabs across the top, you'll see home, videos, playlists, community, and to the far right of all that is where you'll find the search bar. And in that case, you don't have to type the channel name. You simply put the topic of interest there. So if it's anything about how to help get off thyroid medications, just put thyroid. If you want to know more about menopause, pain relief, or inflammation, or antibiotics, put any of those keywords. It can be pain, inflammation, menopause, antibiotics, antivirals, any of those words, and that should pull up any video I have. For example, if you were to put in the word antiviral, not only will you pull up the video that has a list of natural antivirals that you can use, you should pull up at least a couple more videos that have a couple of antiviral related recipes in there. So it's as simple as that. So again, if you want more information on YouTube tips, how to get started in building your own channel, or simply just how to use YouTube, please go check out the link that I'll be putting to the full playlist down below in the description box. Again, show more or the gray arrow, depending on if you're on a computer or a smart device. And I hope you found this helpful. And so now, no matter what channel you go to, you should be able to find what you're looking for if they have that topic. Which, for example, I don't have one on kombucha because even though I used to make it years ago, I stopped making it a long time ago and just never got back into it. So I have no videos out on it and probably never will because I'm just not interested. I have other things that I like better than kombucha. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.